What is the median of 3, 7, 9, 5, and 12? So the median of a set of numbers is the value separating the higher half from the lower half of a data sample, a population, or a probability distribution. So in this case, we first need to arrange the set of numbers in ascending or descending order. So I'll go with ascending. So we have 3, 5, 7, 9, and 12. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 5 numbers in this set. Meanwhile, the number in the third position equally divides the set into 2 halves. So that number is the median. So in this set, the median is equal to 7. What is the median of 32, 15, 22, 8, 27, 19, 34, 10, and 25? So first we need to arrange this in either ascending or descending order. I'll go with ascending. That's 8, 10, 15, 19, 22, 25, 27, 32, and 34. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 numbers in this set. So the number that evenly divides this set into a lower and higher half will be the number in position 5, which is 22. So the median of this set is 22. What is the median of 45, 12, 37, 23, 56, 18, 29, 41, 33, 62, 10, and 5? So first we either need to arrange this in ascending or descending order. I will go with ascending. So we have 5, 10, 12, 18, 23, 29, 33, 37, 41, 45, 56, and 62. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we have 12 elements in this set. Now, the median of a set that has an even number of elements is the sum of the two elements that equally divide the set into a lower and higher half divided by 2. So that is, we need to take the elements in the 6th and the 7th positions, which is 29 and 33, add them up and divide this by 2, which gives us 62 by 2, which is 31. So the median of this set is 31.